Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the new data structure known as tree structure. It is hierarchical data structure used to represent hierarchical data presentation. That is, it has different stages or different importance level according to that data is arranged. You might have seen such trees drawn at old houses in Konkan region where they are showing number of persons born in that family after a certain person. So such tree structure is used to represent hierarchical data, that is forefather, then father, grandfather, father, then their childs and their children's grandparents, etc., etc. So in our syllabus we have binary tree structure. In normal tree we have any number of leaf nodes or any number of sub part of the tree, but in binary tree we have only two childs for one parent, maximum two childs for one parent. So thus we have left successor and right successor for any node in binary tree. So binary tree consists of one root which is a main node, then which is divided into two successor, left successor and right successor, and each can be further again get produced into another two nodes. The last node in this tree is known as leaf. Now each child can produce two more nodes. So those childs which are left and right successor are called as siblings of that node. Now the important term in binary tree structure is the level. So root level is called 0, then next is called as 1, next is defined as 1, then next is defined as 2, like that. So depth of the tree is maximum level plus 1. So if maximum level is 2 here as you seen in the picture, then the depth of the tree is 3, and if depth of the tree is 3, the maximum number of node connected are 2 raised to 3 minus 1. So for depth tree, the maximum number of nodes can be connected at 2 raised to n minus 1, as you can clearly see in the picture. So there are different types of binary trees, like a complete binary tree which has maximum 2 nodes or 0 node or 1 node. So it is called as complete binary tree. Or if it is extended binary tree, then it has maximum 2 nodes or 0 nodes. That is, either it has both the successors or no successor. Then complete tree it consists of all level nodes except that the last have maximum number of possible nodes. So binary tree structure is very useful in storing the data, where we are representing the data with some certain levels. For example, if we try to draw a binary tree structure or a tree structure for our school management, then the topmost is principal, below that two vice principals, then to each vice principal there are co-teachers, then each teacher has its own class. In each class there are number of students. Like that we can draw the binary tree structure for our school. So the important question asked in the exam about binary tree is, explain binary tree as a data structure and explain it with one example. And the another is, we have given some expressions in mathematics and we have to solve it using binary tree. Now to represent binary tree in memory, we can use two methods. The first method is link representation, where we are using three successive arrays, three parallel arrays. One is called as node, other is left successor, and third one is right successor. So in node position we are writing the actual node information, whereas left and right successor shows the node position in the memory. So according to that we can search the data. And in sequential representation we are using a single array and all the nodes are written one by one, first left successor then right successor in order, and if left successor is absent, the place for that is remain empty. According to that, these two methods are used as you seen in this picture. So binary tree is an important data structure because certainly there is at least one question on this topic of binary tree. Thank you.